Hi everybody and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be doing a K-pop journal spread for the BTS official music video for Black Swan. As I said before, I'm catching up on a bunch of spreads, so I realize this is sort of old news, but I wanted to get it in my journal and I'm still obsessed with it. So yeah, here we are. So first of all, we did not know that there was going to be a music video for this, like other than the art film. So it was really exciting when it came out, and we were all like super pumped, and I was not disappointed at all because I was a little bit disappointed. I might have actually talked about that in my video for the art film, I can't remember, but I was kind of disappointed that I wasn't going to get to see a music video that was like centered around BTS. The art film was amazing, but I mean, you know what I mean. So I was really pumped to see this. I've also talked about before how I'm obsessed with aesthetics that have to do with wings and black wings and stuff like that. Even like long before I even stan BTS, I was obsessed with things like that. Anytime I wrote like original characters, they always had like wings and stuff like that. So I'm obsessed with that kind of stuff. I like dark concepts. So yeah, I was really pumped to see this video. So in turn, I was really excited to make a spread about it. I was trying something, I have done this before, but I don't do it as often as I would like, where I almost do like a main focus on one side and then I do like more of the like writing type of stuff on the other side. I don't know if I really conveyed that. I feel like I didn't leave enough white space on the left side. It still pretty much filled the page up, but that's what I was going for originally. I just feel like I have a hard time leaving white space in my spreads, mostly because I feel like I always have so many pictures and so many things that I want to say that I can't just like give up space to be like open space. But I like the aesthetic look like when I see other people's. So I'm gonna have to try that. Maybe I could do that more for like a birthday spread where like I could just pick like one or two pictures to use, because for like music videos and things like that, it's hard to only pick a few pictures. I feel like this just picking like 5 pictures, well, actually, I think there are 6 pictures. Originally, there were only going to be 4, so bear with me. Anyways, it's really hard for me. Also, I talked about in my last video, if you watched it, that I got some of this vellum paper. I think that's how you say it. It's just transparent paper that you can actually write on, and I'm obsessed with it. I told you you would be seeing more of it again very often, because you know how I get when it comes to certain trends that I've become obsessed with, and this is one of them. I also talked about how it kind of depends on what you use to stick this paper down, because I tried to use my tape runner in the last video and I didn't like that. You could tell where the tape was because the tape has like a texture to it. So then I used a clear glue stick and that worked really well, but it took away the like frosty look of the paper, which is fine if that's the look you're going for. This time that was not the look I was going for. I wanted it to still look, you know, like there was a little teensy bit of opaqueness to it. So I just used double-sided tape. It's just Scotch double-sided tape, you know, the one that comes in the little yellow thingy. And that actually worked really well. So I'm going to have to use that some more with this transparent paper. So I wanted to do some more experimenting with this transparent paper. I got this little stamp set a while ago, and I think I got it on Amazon. It was pretty cheap. The sizes of the letters are not all the same, but that's okay because that's kind of the aesthetic I was going for. If you actually want your letters to be really uniform, this is not the stamp set for you, but I kind of like that look, so it's good for me. I wanted to try stamping on this paper. It worked okay. It did take a really long time, I feel like, for the ink to dry, and I had to kind of like blot it off a little bit with some other paper. But yeah, I definitely like this look as well. I mean, I'm obviously really obsessed with this paper, so yeah. I also tried some new handwriting here, which I did not like. I was trying to do like that cute little tiny writing that some people do, and I did not like it in my handwriting. I feel like I need to work on it some more. I typically do like a very long, like tall handwriting, if that makes sense. I kind of wish I had just done that in this spread. But anyway, this is a look at the final spread. I am really happy with it. I'm obsessed with this transparent paper that I had, and I'm obsessed with this music video. So if you like this video and you think the spread is cool, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more content. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!